Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Hankinson with Back to Wellness Chiropractic. We're located in Kirkwood, Missouri. We have one of our great patients, Vivian, here today. She's been a patient for about a month, and she came in because she's had constant pain in her mid and low back related to a scoliosis. So what we do with her is we adjust her neck, her mid back, her low back. We do some stretching, some muscle work if needed, electronic stimulation, and obviously the adjustments. So I'm going to start off by asking her, when you first came in, how much pain were you in?
Like an 8 or a 9.
8 or 9, and constant pain, right?
Yes.
And a month later, what would you rate your pain levels at now?
About a 5.
And how frequent is the pain now?
It's definitely not constant.
Okay,
So.
and do you find like when you're standing up, the pain is less?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to stretch your hips out first. So lay on your back, face up, okay? Any of my patients that come in who have mid to low back pain, I always stretch out their hips. Really does loosen stuff up pretty good. Some people are super tight, and some people are very flexible. And she's young, so we expect her to be flexible. She's shaking her head no. But it does help, in my eyes, to get things to move a little bit easier on her. So as we're talking about this, she's a student, so she sits at her desk at school a lot. We've given her some stretches to do at home. We have her on a core exercise plan to strengthen up her core, which we're hoping it will decrease some of that scoliosis, and strengthen her back up, which will decrease the pain as well. Okay, bring that one right here. There you go. So if you have family members or loved ones that have mid-back or low back pain, you know chiropractic is very beneficial. If you don't believe in chiropractic and you have a closed mind of what it is, it's always worth just to open it up and try some conservative care if you're tired of being in pain. I'm going to adjust your mid back here. Take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Good. One more time. All the way up. There we go. Okay, stay right there. And get your neck here. And stretch you out just a little bit. Already. Okay, we'll go this way. One more time. Good job. Okay, now I want you to roll over on your side towards me. Bring this leg up. Vivian usually has pretty tight piriformis muscles right here in her hip. You can see how tight they are today. How's that feel?
Not so good.
Not so good. I'd say 90% of the people that come in who have low back pain have tight glute muscles and piriformis muscles. So we just do a little bit of muscle work, try and restore normal function to these muscles. But it stinks, it hurts a little bit. Okay, relax. Good. All right, turn to this side. All right, we'll check this one as well. Okay. How's it feeling through there?
That's not quite as bad.
Not as bad. Okay. Breathe. There we go. All right, lay in your stomach. Because she has a scoliosis, I always check her feet lengths to see if one pelvis is higher up rotated than the other one. So look at her feet. They're pretty good today. But I also like to check extension of her hip to see if her pelvis is moving good. So I'm going to hold your tailbone down here. Bring this leg up as high as you can. Good. Put that one down. Bring your other leg up. Good. So the first time that Vivian came in, she wasn't able to bring her legs up nearly as high as that. Everything was just really stuck in her low back. I'm going to do one more adjustment on her here. Good. Okay. Vivian, you can sit up and turn to your left. There you go. So that's her adjustment. We also do the electronic stimulation. If you like the content here, please share it with your friends and family. Our website is stlbackdoc.com. Our phone number is 314-394-2093. We'd love to be able to help you get out of pain. I'm Dr. Jim. Thank you.